Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Grow a Garden 2, which is called View Sell Price. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the sell menu, and when you talk to Steven, you will see this feature, View Sell Prices, and I'm going to tap on that, and you will see fruit price tag. And each fruit has different price guys, and I would like to recommend you to sell the fruit with the highest price. For example, this horned melon, when you sell this fruit, you will earn more shekels, because it's 4. I mean, it will be multiplied to 4. Okay, and also this one, the pomegranate, and this one, but all of them are the rare fruits. Oh my god. Or this one, mushroom. And don't sell the fruit with under 1 price. Okay, just like this. And also this one, banana. Oh, banana is good. And also this blueberry, and also corn. So I'm going to harvest my corn, and I'm going to sell it so I can get more shekels. And also the blueberry, it has good price for now. And of course the price will be refreshed every day, so it will be different for tomorrow. But now I'm gonna sell my inventory, which contains blueberry and also the corns. Okay guys, and that's all about the view sell prices feature in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.